Hi everyone, it's Helen here, and Christmas has come early, so welcome to Christmas in July and welcome to my new Holly Jolly Christmas. Now I might be put on the naughty list for sharing this a day early, but the products are there on the website, so everything here is listed down below in the description box. Okay, let's jump in. I'm just going to quickly show you these die sets very quickly, but remember to tune in tomorrow, which is Friday the 8th, 12:30, for the actual live launch, where we'll be showing you loads more samples, all of the die sets and the dies that you get individually as well in greater detail, and also live demonstrations. Okay, so this is just a quick overview of what you get in the collection, and just let you know that it's now available to buy. Okay, so let's jump straight in. This is the small Wreath Box die set. Now if you remember from last year, I had the giant one, and now we have the baby sister. So you've had a sneak peek of this one already, because I showed this on my Christmas in July vlog hop a couple of days ago, so you'll be able to find that on my channel, where I make a little gift box. Okay, so this is the small wreath gift box, and as you can see, it's just a smaller version of the larger one, and you can have so much fun with this one. So let's have a quick look inside. There we go, it opens up, and I've decorated all of that with the new papers that are just down here. So I've gone for a slightly different, like non-traditional colours. I've gone for traditional patterns, but I have a hint of pink in them basically. So that's how I decorated for Christmas last year, and I absolutely love that look. Okay, let's pop that there. Okay, moving on, we have Joy to the World, Merry Christmas, Christmas Wishes and Noel. So these form the Christmas words die set, and you also get this stitched tag as well. So the lovely Victoria from the design team has made this beautiful card. Now these words can be used on all of the projects that I'm about to show you, and she's also taken a poinsettia from the wine box, which I will be getting to in a moment. So this is like a 6x4 or an A6 size card there. It's made from craft cardstock, and she's done little splatters there using brown ink and a little bit of inking there. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just love that little detail there with the lace on the top as well. So this is going to be very versatile for all of your projects this Christmas. Okay, so that's the Christmas words die set. Okay, moving on, we have the Geo Christmas Cracker die set. Now I absolutely love this one. As you can see, it makes a wonderful little cracker here. So again, I've used the papers, which I'll be showing you in a moment. Isn't that lovely? It's a really unusual cracker, and that's going to sit perfectly on a plate. And if you layer your plates up and you have a bowl right in the center, it's perfectly sized for that too. And hopefully it won't be rolling around everywhere. And then the lovely Vicky, she has made this beautiful white. I mean, it's almost glowing off the screen there. It's so bright in here. Okay, so this is made from like a white pearlescent card. I hope you might need sunglasses for this one. But yeah, it's so bright in here. I'm still fiddling around with my lighting settings. So anyways, you get this beautiful snowflake with that as well, and a selection there of different toppers that you can use. Okay, so that's the Geo Christmas Cracker die set. Move those along. Oh, and I've used the words as well from that, the Christmas words. Okay, this is the Spirit Bottle Box die set, which is basically just a giant cracker box, and I absolutely love this one as well. Here we go. Here it is. It won't fit on the camera that way, so it will fit on the screen this way though. So I've got a bottle of Bailey's in here. Isn't that wonderful? And it fits in there perfectly, because the spirit bottles, they come in lots of different shapes and sizes, especially if you love the gin bottles as well. And there's no height restriction on here because we have the open end, and there are about 3 or 4 different variations of this box that you can make with this die set as well. So we'll be showing you the other samples tomorrow. So again, these come separately, so here's a hint of what else you can make with it. You make a square one there, but there's loads of things that you can do with this. So if you do get this one, please join my my Facebook group, Paper Crafting with Helen Griffin. That will be linked down below. Basically, I would love to see what you can make with this one, because this is so versatile as well. We get this lovely panel trellis as well with the holly. Okay, moving on again, we have the All Occasion Bottle Collars die set. Again, this is not... Oh, the sun's come out. Goodness me. That should be a little bit better. Okay, so this is the All Occasion Bottle Collars die set. Again, not just for Christmas. I've included some Christmas things in there, but again, we've got Mrs. Christmas, or if you just have a lovely dress celebration there, or a dress up celebration, should I say. And a choice here of the two bottle collars as well. They've got the flag end at the bottom there. Plus, these also make great door hangers as well on the door, so you can make little messages and just get creative. Okay, so not just for Christmas, and I do have some samples here to show you. So we have Merry Christmas there, we've got the Santa and his moustache. We have a beautiful corset here made by Vicky. She's done it on silver glitter cardstock. She's added some lovely pearls here as well. I would never have thought of that. That is and I would never have the patience either to add that beautiful stitching there as well. She's done an absolutely wonderful job on that. And this just slides onto your bottle just like that, nice and easy. Perfect for taking to a party. And then we also have the set here. It also does a tuxedo as well, because you get the bow tie as well. So you can really go to town. Loads of different combinations that you can go for, so just go with your imagination. And the die set here is, the next die set is the wine bottle box. This is absolutely humongous. Let me get one out for you. Here we go. Have to do it sideways again. And now this will fit a bottle of wine. It will fit in this bottle here. I've only got one bottle of wine for props, so it comes with this beautiful set here with the poinsettias and the fir sprigs and layering stars as well. Those are stitched, absolutely beautiful. And then I did a Helen there. I've stuck my finger in. Yeah, I tried to fix it. Kind of looks all right. Maybe I should have stuck my finger in the other one and kind of made it match. I don't know, this one looks neat and tidy, this one's not. Anyway, did a boo-boo, never mind. But let's have a quick look inside. It also has the supporting bits in there as well to stop your bottle from wobbling about. But you can always add extra padding at the back, because I've popped in a window at the front here. Pop a little window here using this die there here. So I have tutorials for all of these die sets. These will be released over Friday night and over the weekend for all of these die sets. I won't drop them all at the same time because it can be a bit overwhelming. So we're going to be staggering those out, and also there'll be live demonstrations tomorrow at 12:30 live with the Craft Stash live. Talking so fast here, I'm excited. And then this is the last but not least. This is the ultimate gift bow die set. I've chosen to add this one in because this is going to be perfect for adding big bows to your projects. So here it is here. Here's one of them, and you've got the choice there of the large or the small. So I've got the large and the small here. Again, you can just build up those bows. And this is the other, the wine box. Isn't that humongous? So it could fit a bottle of champagne. Measure your bottle of champagne, because I know some of the bottles here of champagne can be quite a lot taller than a bottle of wine. So just make sure that you've measured it. If not, your bottle of champagne will fit in the spirit bottle box. So it's kind of like a mix and match. Just go with whatever size bottle that you want to go for. Okay, so those are all the new die sets. Now here are the papers. Now I'll pop a photo up here of how I decorated last Christmas. Now this, I decided how I was going to decorate last Christmas in the summer when all of the decorations were being sneak peeked from all the companies, and I chose these massive white pink poinsettias. Now if you are following me on Facebook, you may have noticed last December I did share those, but I'll pop the photo here so you can see. But it's totally inspired me just to go for an alternative Christmas. So we do actually have some traditional papers in here with the red and the green. So we've got the red and green here, we've got the green, we've got the green, and we have the green and the red here. But if you'd like to add a little bit more of a contemporary look, we have the added pink that's going to match. It all goes together really nicely. So that is your sneak peek. Please remember to join us tomorrow. I will leave all the links for the lives tomorrow, and that's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a huge launch, and I'm really looking forward to everything there. Chatting with Lou, showing all of the samples, and also watching and responding to all your comments as well. So that's going to be a whole lot of fun as well. I'll be there in the comments as well as there live, just, you know, replying to things. So if you do have any questions, then you can ask us tomorrow and we'll do our best to answer those. Alright, so that is my new Holly Jolly Christmas. Super excited. Give me a thumbs up if you like this one. Everything that I've shown you today will be listed down below in the description box, and I'll see you again very soon.